But what if I told you there's an easier way to clean your room in just 3 simple steps, without spending your entire Saturday or losing your mind halfway through? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean your room fast, stay motivated, and actually enjoy your space again. Grab a trash bag, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and let's get your messy room under control, the easy way. Step 1. The trash and surface reset. Before you even think about organizing, just get rid of the obvious junk. Empty bottles, snack wrappers, receipts, paper clutter, anything that's clearly trash. This step alone can make your room look 50% cleaner in under 5 minutes. Then, move on to your surfaces, your desk, dresser, and nightstand. Grab a damp cloth or disinfecting wipe and do a quick wipe down. It's not about perfection right now. It's about visible progress. Trust me, seeing your surfaces clean gives you that instant cleaning motivation your brain needs to keep going. It's a psychological win that tricks your mind into thinking, hey, this is actually working. Step 2. The clothing sweep. If your room looks like a fashion tornado hit it, this is your moment. Start by separating clean clothes from dirty ones. Throw the dirty pile straight into your laundry basket. Or even better, start the washing machine right now. Then hang or fold your clean clothes immediately. Here's a little hack. Turn on your favorite playlist or YouTube cleaning motivation video while you do this. It keeps your energy up and makes it feel less like a chore. The goal here isn't perfection, it's function. You want to be able to see your floor again and find your favorite hoodie without digging through chaos. Step 3. Smart organize and reset zones. Now that the trash and clothes are handled, it's time to organize your space efficiently. Think of your room in zones. A study zone, your desk area. A chill zone, your bed or reading corner. A storage zone, closet, drawers, or underbed bins. Instead of dumping everything wherever, assign every item a home. That's the secret to keeping your room clean long-term. Everything has a place. And here's a pro tip. Use small bins or baskets for quick daily resets. It makes it so much easier to do a 5-minute cleanup routine before bed, instead of another weekend marathon. And here's your bonus tip. Build a 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, like hanging your jacket or tossing trash, do it immediately. That tiny habit stops your room from spiraling into chaos again. You'll wake up every day in a space that feels calm, fresh, and organized. No overwhelm, no stress. So, there you have it. The easiest way to clean your room in just 3 steps. No overwhelm, no endless hours, just a simple cleaning routine that actually works. If this gave you that push to finally tackle your messy room, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more real-life cleaning hacks, organization tips, and simple routines that save time. Your clean, peaceful room starts right now. Let's make it happen.